Adam was standing in front of a girl at a cafe with his heart pounding, his palms sweaty, and his mind completely blank. He wanted to say something to that girl, anything, but his brain froze. He felt like he had to force the conversation. Meanwhile, Nirvana was just chilling, sitting quietly with himself at his home, with his eyes closed. He wasn't chasing girls, he was just imagining that his desire has already been fulfilled. He was imagining that he was surrounded by beautiful women, and all of these women were attracted to his magnetic presence. A few days later, Nirvana found himself in the same cafe, and girls started conversations with Nirvana. All Nirvana had done was change his inner state, and the outer physical world obeyed that state. Most guys try to fix the silence, the tension, the broken, frozen mind, but you cannot fix the outer problems with outer tactics. You cannot keep a conversation going and you think you need better openers, better lines, or better game. Wrong. Running out of things to say means that your body is too tense to receive inspiration. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you a short meditation practice to completely rewire your nervous system so that your words will naturally flow out of your mouth and women just start conversations with you. But before that, let's do a quick 10-second test. Close your eyes and drop off your shoulders completely. Completely relax your shoulders and feel that your chest is slightly opening. Can you feel this calmness? This calmness is your nervous system rewiring itself in real time. And this is just one tiny benefit of this meditation practice. I taught this meditation practice to a guy who used to freeze on every cold approach. 2 weeks later, he told me, "Bro, I don't even have to think anymore. I just flow." I'm not here to sell you affirmations or pickup lines. This is the only thing that will completely rewire your subconscious mind. And before doing this meditation practice, you need to understand two non-negotiable spiritual principles that you need to drill inside of your own head. The first spiritual principle is the physical, personal reality that you can perceive through your five senses is not real. This is the reason why yogis call our physical reality as Maya. Maya means illusion or a magical lie. The number two principle, spiritual principle, is your persistent imagination is always creating your personal reality. Now, based on these two spiritual principles, let's do a short meditation practice together. Sit in a comfortable position and close your eyes. Start guiding your attention through your body parts, one by one, until you achieve a sense of relaxation. The reason why I achieve relaxation so fast is because I have been a meditator for 3 years. You will need a little more practice to induce this passive and receptive attitude of mind and body. Now, when you achieve this relaxation through this guiding of your attention or yoga nidra, you need to start creating an imaginal act in your mind. And this imaginal act, you're approaching beautiful women. And these beautiful women are receptive to your approach. You can see that their pupils are dilated as soon as they see you. You can see that they are touching their hair, they are smiling at you. They are complimenting you, saying things like, "Wow, you're so amazing. I'm so lucky to meet a guy like you." You can even visualize that girls are approaching you and you're just there with a big smirk on your face. How do you feel? Provide all the sensory vividness to the imaginal act, the things that you can see, hear, taste, smell, touch. Maybe you're smelling the perfume that are coming off of this beautiful woman's body. When you rehearse this mental act over and over again, you're going to feel joy, accomplished, and victorious. Now, do not make the mistake of considering this meditation practice as just some option. This is the only essential inner practice that you need to do in order to completely change your dating outcomes forever. The reason why this meditation practice works and is so powerful is because when you do this yoga nidra, you are creating slow, coherent alpha brainwaves and theta waves in your brain. This means the door between the conscious mind and the subconscious mind is wide open. Now, your conscious mind starts to visualize all these wonderful things happening to you, and all this imaginal act will go right into your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is like a projector. You load an imaginal act in your projector, and the imaginal act will play itself out in the screen of your life. So, the only thing that is required from you is to induce a passive state through this yoga nidra and start feeling and imagining that your desire has already been fulfilled. However, this is not easy because it is not easy to feel these elevated emotions of joy, gratitude, accomplishment, victory all of a sudden, especially for an average man, because he has practiced feeling negative emotions of unworthiness, anxiety, resentment, hatred, jealousy for so long that it is difficult for him to feel these positive emotions all of a sudden. Also, an average human being cannot even visualize in first person. He cannot provide the sensory vividness to his imaginal act. He cannot hold his attention on the desired imaginal act because his attention span has been reduced to an attention span of a goldfish because he has watched too many TikToks, too many YouTube shorts. But this is exactly why you should do this practice because other people are not going to do this. If everybody would do this, everybody would be able to control their physical reality. When you feel the elevated emotions out of this imaginal act, you will be compelled to move into places, to move into venues. You will be compelled to do the right kinds of approaches. Girls in your physical reality will be compelled to move towards you. You guys will lose free will once you have uploaded this imaginal act into your subconscious mind. Things will just happen automatically, and you will be surprised at how things just materialize into your physical world. Adam chases lines and tactics. Nirvana simply closes his eyes and feels it done, and lets his subconscious mind bring him the perfect moment. When I was 19, I was introduced to the idea of cold approaching, pickup art, and learning psychology hacks in order to attract women. I used to cold approach women all the time. I used to chase them. And despite all of this cold approaching, I still felt inadequate. I still felt like I was not a man. But after COVID lockdown, I could not go out and approach anyone. I started to develop anxiety and panic attacks. To heal these annoying mental health issues, I decided to turn inwards and I started to meditate. And meditation led me to the discovery of this inner practice. And ever since that, I have not had to chase a single girl. In fact, girls have started chasing me. Physical reality has started chasing me because my persistent imagination is always creating my personal reality. Most men will never do this meditation practice. They will keep memorizing their weird pickup lines and openers. But if you're amongst a very few percentage of men, maybe 13 to 15 percentage of men, and you truly want to rewire your subconscious mind through this meditation practice, then become ready because your dating life is about to become effortlessly easy. And you will finally realize why your inner world of thoughts and feelings is always controlling your outer physical reality, the events of your life, the circumstances of your life, the actions that you take in your life. If you're feeling inspired, do this meditation practice tonight as you're about to go to your bed to fall asleep. Because at this moment, your brain is naturally trying to create slow, coherent alpha waves and theta waves. When there is nighttime and you're about to go to sleep, your subconscious mind is naturally trying to become receptive to imagination, to feelings. So do not miss this moment. Or you can just ignore me and stay stuck and stay Adam. Now, if you're serious about mastering this, then I am going to teach you one on one on how to completely develop your imagination, your attention faculty, and the capacity of your body to hold and sustain these positive feelings of joy, gratitude, so that your imagination gets outpictured into your physical reality fast. Message me on my Gmail or my WhatsApp to book this online coaching. I only coach 4 men per month, so grab this opportunity quick. This is Emotion Pill, where you have to understand feeling is the secret and your outer reality is just a reflection of your own feelings. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.